Here we have it, mint BSD ALVX2 frame and bike. Got Odyssey bar ends, wicked good bar ends. They wear wicked slow and they last a long time. Fly bikes, Devon grips, wicked nice grips. Wear down pretty fast though, so my friends have told me I haven't had any issues with that. I have some fly bars, I don't even know what they are, but I took the sticker off and put a Merit one on, because you know, Merit, it's better. Got an Odyssey raft stem, yeah. Let's see if you can see that. Right up in there. Alright. It's super clean. Looks awesome. Having a claw headset in chrome. Gloss black Colony Guardian forks. They're dope. No complaints. Kink Drift PC pegs. 4 of them in 4.4. Kink Viridian 2 front hub that I painted black. Black spokes. Black rim that blue rim that I painted black. It's the same rims I had on my old bike. Still got the valve caps. I got Demolition Momentum tires. These tires are so awesome. Alright, I have the Shadow tripod seat. It looks wicked clean. So nice. I highly recommend tripod for anyone who is just getting into BMX. Like, tripod is worth it when you think about it. And I just painted my pedals black because they didn't have black pedals I wanted at my bike shop. Same cranks, fit indent 24mm spline drive. Fucked up my crank bolt, it's wicked cracked, I need a new one. I got the claw, I don't know what sprocket this is. The claw channel sprocket, I think. Cult half link. I've had this chain for like a year now, it's so good. Love it to death. Got in a claw bottom bracket. It's nice. Pretty nice black hub. Looks like a cassette, but it's not. You'll tell in a second when I show you this. Black spokes, black rim, Demolition Momentum tire, pegs, and the sound test. It's a free coaster. Get them, they're dank. What else is there? Oh yeah, the frame. This is the 2015 BSD ALVX2 frame. I got mine in mint because, you know, it makes the bike look good. And yeah, thanks. Peace.